Alright, in today's video we're going to be discussing how to make chia seed and flaxseed gel. But this particular video is more focused on the chia seed. First off, we're going to measure out our cup of water and then the chia seed. The measurement is going to be listed either in the description box or I'll post a link to my storyboard account where you can get the description. Please like and follow us on the storyboard. Now back to the chia seed. When you measure it, you want to make sure that you stir properly. You want to make sure the water and the chia seed dissolve and make sure they are properly mixed. Yes, when you're done mixing, you transfer into a container like a closed lid container and then store overnight. When you're done with that, onto the next phase, you get out your overnight chia seed in the morning. A sieve. In this scenario, I'm using a big cup, so you're just going to sieve out the chia seed, separating the seed from the gel. In other cases, you can actually blend this combo, you can actually blend the mixture, but since I do not have a blender, we're going to be straining. On the process of straining, realize that the container is too thin, so you have to transfer to a bigger container in order to get a more friendly water space. When you're done straining the chia seed, you want to make sure you keep the chia seed because you're going to use them later. Then the gel you derived or gotten from your mixture, you can apply them directly to your hair. As for the chia seed, the remaining of the chia seeds or the separated chia seed, whatever we're going to do with them will be listed in the next video.